Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn a novella written by Charles Dickens. The title of the novella is A Christmas Carol. In this, the major theme is of Christmas. Carol means happy song. When we are happy, we sing song. We know that, and it creates interest in our life. A Christmas Carol. It shows happiness related to the festival Christmas. नाताळात आपण आनंदी असतो आणि त्यावेळी गाणी गातो. या सर्व आनंदाचं चित्रण या कादंबरीमध्ये लेखक करतो. व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन नॉवेला अँड नॉवेल? Novella is short in form comparatively than novel. About the author, let us know something about Charles Dickens. Born in 1812, died in 1870. He is an English writer, he is a social critic. A Christmas Carol is written in 1843. It is famous novella in English literature. This is adopted by numerous presentations in literary world, on stage, television, radio, and in cinematic presentations. It has been a famous holiday classic. It has retained critical and commercial attention, and it creates awareness in people in charitable activities. This novella highlights the possible dangers of economic success. means आर्थिकदृष्ट्या प्रगती झाल्यानंतर माणूस हा धर्म, देव, माणुसकी आणि चांगुलपणा यापासून दूर जात आहे, ह्याचं चित्रीकरण या कादंबरीमध्ये झालेलं दिसतं. इट ऑल्सो हायलाइटेड द पॉसिबल डेंजर्स ऑफ इकॉनॉमिक सक्सेस ड्यू टू विच man is away from religion, God, humanity, and goodness. It has presented the festive traditions of Christmas season. It is the most popular and enduring work in Dickens's series of Christmas stories, collectively known as Christmas books. Let us know something about the text. A Christmas Carol is the most remarkable example of Victorian Christmas book. विक्टोरियन काळात प्रसिद्ध असलेलं क्रिसमस बुक याचं एक उत्तम उदाहरण म्हणून अ क्रिसमस कॅरल आपण लक्षात ठेवू शकतो. एक छानसं गिफ्ट म्हणूनही दिलं जातं. ह्या कादंबरीमध्ये चॅरिटी आणि आनंद, डोनेशन, याला तुम्ही म्हणता दानधर्म आणि आनंद, ह्या दोन गोष्टी नाताळाशी संबंधित आहेत त्या त्यांनी म्हणल्या. क्रिसमस ट्री, क्रिसमस गिफ्ट्स, क्रिसमस कॅरॉल हे सगळे आपल्याला नाताळप्रसंगी जो आनंद आपण साजरा करतो ह्याची आठवण करून देतात. द कॅरॉल मीन्स अ रिलिजियस सॉन्ग. कॅरॉलचा अर्थ पुन्हा एकदा काय आहे? कॅरॉल म्हणजे एक रिलिजियस सॉन्ग. देर आर 5 स्टेप्स इन अ क्रिसमस कॅरॉल. देर आर 5 पार्ट्स इन क्रिसमस कॅरॉल. ह्या कादंबरीचे 5 महत्त्वाचे भाग आपण पाहणार आहोत. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं थीम्स, यावर तुम्हाला परीक्षेमध्ये प्रश्न विचारले जातील की डिस्कस दिस अ क्रिसमस कॅरॉल ॲज अ नॉवेल ऑफ फेस्टिविटी, or describe the theme of charity in Christmas Carol, describe the theme of family and its importance, describe the theme of social responsibility, then discuss the theme of poverty and sufferings. So describe that theme of memory and nostalgia in this novel, Christmas Carol. So let us talk on these themes one by one. Christmas, a festival in Christianity, is a central theme of this novella. From first step up to the last one, we find that author is focusing on the festival Christmas and what is the importance of celebrating Christmas in life. Some people are there like central character Scrooge, who think that Christmas is waste of time. It is not important. It is spending money on useless things. There is no need to give gifts. There is no need to celebrate. There is no need to live in society and family. So full concentration of our life should be on earning money. But there are some people who love to celebrate festivals like Christmas, and due to that we find there is happiness, there is no drudgery in our lives. So in this novella, first of all, Scrooge is against celebrating Christmas, but later on there are some changes in his personality. At the end, this Scrooge becomes a man who loves to celebrate and be in the company of family. The second theme is charity. The whole novel revolves around that Scrooge, who is the central character of the story. And due to that, we find the character of Scrooge is developing the story of the novella. This character, Scrooge, is a miser who doesn't like to give some money to poor people. He doesn't do charity or do donations to poor people. He saves money, but there is nobody to spend this money. He hates poor people, and due to that, he doesn't want to help anybody who is in need. The third theme is family. This novella gives importance to familial relations. There are three families, you may say, which are here presented. The first family is of Scrooge. He is being the money-minded person. He doesn't give happiness to his family. Even he cannot maintain his love relationship due to his love towards money. But later on, he changes himself when he spends his time with the family of Bob and family of Fred. Even he has some past memory of his own family, where he spent some time of happiness in the company of his sister Fan. So ultimately in this novel, we know that everybody does love to his family, and especially that Scrooge. He loves his family, but somewhere he has lost that love. While earning money, he became a lonely person. The fourth theme is social responsibility. What is social responsibility? We all are social beings. We live in society. We should spend something for our society. We should invest something for society. We have the responsibility about the society. So, in this novella, the central character is very rich. Scrooge is very rich, but he doesn't give any portion of his wealth to needy and people who are suffering. And actually, this is his social responsibility. So many people, they approach him for the sake of getting donations, but he humiliates these people and he doesn't give a single penny to these people. But later on, all these three ghosts, they come in his life and they tell him the importance of paying tribute to the society and showing social responsibility. And finally, he does all the necessary things in his life and he becomes happy. The next theme is poverty and sufferings. One by one, we can study all characters and we find that these characters are having some economic background. Some of these characters, they are suffering from poverty and sufferings, like Bob Cratchit's family is there, which is poor, earning less wages because The master Scrooge is not paying to this family, and due to that there is suffering. There is one boy who comes in story and who tries to get some help from Scrooge, but he doesn't give any help to that boy. There is one mother who also demands some money to this main character Scrooge, but he denies. There are so many examples in novella where we come across poor people and their sufferings, but nobody is helping. But later on, at the end, we find that this Scrooge is helping all these needy people. He is paying donations. He is helping the tiny Tim, who is son of Bob, who is handicapped and deceased. And he tries to love. Actually, before this, he was hating poor people, but later on, he loves all these people who are poor and who are in suffering. The last theme is memory and nostalgia. You can add into this list, you can search various themes, but here the last one is memory and nostalgia. This Scrooge, the central character, he lives his life with some nostalgia. Nostalgia, memory of past. आपल्या भूतकाळाच्या आठवणींनी आपण त्रस्त होणं, आठवणं आपल्याला त्या गोष्टी, त्याला नॉस्टेल्जिया असं म्हणतात. सेंट्रल कॅरेक्टर स्क्रूज ही सफर्स ड्यू टू दिस. जर आपण कादंबरी नीट वाचली तर एका ठिकाणी आपल्याला असं जाणवतं की स्क्रूज हा आपल्या भूतकाळात जातो आणि त्याला दिसतं की आपण खूप आनंदी होतो जेव्हा आपण पैशाचा विचार करत नव्हतो, जेव्हा लहान होतो, आपल्याला कुणाची तरी कंपनी हवीशी वाटत असे, बोर्डिंग स्कूलमध्ये राहताना आपण एकटे होतो आणि त्यामुळं आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये आपण कुणाचंही प्रेम मिळू शकलो नाही, आपली प्रेयसी बेली आपल्याला सोडून गेली. त्यानंतर आपल्याला खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी अनुभवायला मिळाल्या ज्यामध्ये पैसा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा असतो हे कळालं आणि म्हणून आपलं जे व्यक्तिमत्व आहे ते बदलत गेलं. आपण आज कुणालाही मदत करत नाही हे रिअलायझेशन कादंबरीच्या शेवटी आपल्याला स्क्रूजमध्ये आलेलं दिसतं. त्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या घटना कारणीभूत आहेत, त्याला पडलेली स्वप्न कारणीभूत आहेत. स्वप्न म्हणता येणार नाही, परंतु जे काही त्याच्यासोबत घडलं त्या गोष्टी त्याला कारणीभूत आहेत आणि या सगळ्या आठवणी भविष्य काळामध्ये त्याला स्वतःला बदल करून घेण्यासाठी त्याच्या स्वतःच्या व्यक्तिमत्वात मदत करतात. सो मेमरी अँड नॉस्टेल्जिया, दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स. जर एकूण असा प्रश्न आला की डिस्कस व्हेरियस थीम्स इन प्रेझेंटेड इन द नोवेला अ क्रिसमस कॅरल रिटन बाय चार्ल्स डिकेन्स, त्यावेळेला तुम्ही सगळ्या थीम्स लिहू शकता. यू कॅन एलॉबोरेट विथ युअर knowledge or reading or when you see some movies based on this A Christmas Carol. Now we'll come to characters. Actually we should learn characters before the themes, but especially I would like to give you these characters after the themes, and later on I will give you summary also in the next presentation of ours so that you can correlate all the information gathered with these presentations. The first major character in this novella is Ebenezer Scrooge, who is a miser old man. The second character is Jacob Marley, partner and friend of this Mr. Scrooge. Third character is Bob Cratchit, employee of Scrooge. Ghost of Christmas past, Ghost of Christmas present, Ghost of Christmas future. These are three characters which are important, major characters. Side by side we have some minor characters which are also there in this novella. Old Fezzik, who is old boss of Mr. Scrooge. Fan, who is sister of Mr. Scrooge. Belle, who is beloved of Scrooge. Fred, who is nephew of Scrooge, Fred's wife. Tim, who is son of Bob Cratchit. Wilkins, who is friend of Mr. Scrooge. So when you think about all these characters one by one, what do you find? Scrooge is a miser. Scrooge is a person who is lonely, who doesn't have family, who hates poor people, who doesn't help donate, and who is irritated by even children. He dislikes poor people and he says that the people who are poor, due to their own sake, they don't earn money, they don't devote time, so that they are poor. Jacob Marley is a partner who is also a money minded person, but in the beginning we find that this character is not alive, but that comes in the form of ghost to visit Scrooge, and Marley tries to make some changes in the personality of Scrooge. He warns Scrooge that during lifetime only one should donate or do charity so that he can live happy life after death. So this is the role of Marley. The ghost of Marley appears in the story. Throughout the novella we have the ghost. The first ghost that comes in the home of this Scrooge is Jacob Marley's ghost. The third character is Bob Cratchit, employee of Scrooge, who is very good person. He tries to help this Avenger Scrooge throughout life. He is a devoted employee of his this major character Scrooge. And Bob Cratchit have very lovely family, wife, 6 sons. This family is suffering from poverty. Tiny Tim, that younger son of this Bob Cratchit, is deceased, and this Tiny Tim, though he is deceased, he is very happy, and all this family of Bob Cratchit is a happy family. Then Ghost of Christmas Past, that comes first in the novella. After that, Marley's ghost, and it tells Scrooge about that past of Scrooge's life. Ghost of Christmas Present, which comes after Christmas. Ghost of Past, Ghost of Christmas Future, that comes at the end. And one by one all these 3 ghosts, they tell about that reality of Scrooge's life.